Namaskar. Features of your inner child. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Features of your inner child. You know, after the passing of days, months, years, when you grow up, you lose those important characteristics of the vitality of your inner child. Small happiness, enthusiasm, the vitality of curiosity. You know, the experience of falling, making a lot of problems, a lot of mistakes, experimenting, ability to feel. You know, it seems that these are disappearing, considering that they tell you regularly, don't be your true self. Since your childhood, since you were a child, 1, 2, 3 years old. Yeah. You remember that always since childhood. If you want your mom and your dad love you, be the way they want. If you want your teacher love you, be as she or he wants. If you want to find a friend, a companion, a partner, a lover, don't be your true self. You remember that, don't you? If you want a status, don't be yourself. You are thought to wear niqab, a mask on your beautiful face, and be an actor, fake, not be your true self. They teach you since your childhood. Society, the world nurture you to be a person without feeling, predictable, just like a walking dead. Every time, every moment, everywhere since your childhood, they target your core self. They start to attack your esteem, and you know that. Do you know that? Self-esteem is the most important thing for everybody, everyone. They start to attack your esteem, your privacy, and your true feelings in existence every step, and destroy every piece of you. It's as all inside you is unprotected. We all remember. Yeah, because you don't know yourself, then you realize that you're lost. You don't feel anything. I see so many people right now in this world, they have depression. Why? Because since childhood, their family, their teachers, friends, colleagues, everyone told them to be unoriginal. That's why the person, not feel anything. And he or she depressed. So depressed, does not have any goal in his or her life. Sorry. When you lose yourself, you realize that you are lost, you are wounded. They will crush you, destroy you bit by bit. The society, family, school, friends, colleagues, everywhere, everyone. You can't forget someone's hair color or the color of her lipstick or his t-shirt, but you don't forget behavior of someone. Never. There is no trace of the inner child inside you. And what you do when you grow up, you prefer to stay safe. You prefer to stay safe and be fake and unoriginal. From childhood, you try to not be yourself and hide your feelings. You are hiding your feelings. So many people don't like when I tell them liars. Everyone lying about so many things. Everyone, any person is a liar. Why? When you don't show your true feelings, you're lying. So you are a liar? Yes. And you hide your feelings to what? You hide your feelings to please others. And you're telling me, I don't know why I have toxic relationship every time. Why? Because you don't show your true self. because you suppress your feelings and you want to please your partner, your friend, or please others. Yes. You know, the child inside you never grow up. Never. And it just gets locked up. And you know what? You imprison it. Yes. In your being an aim for your own destruction. What do you think? Write a comment for me, okay? If you feel there is someone should listen to this video, share with that person. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my videos, watching them. Thank you so much. Dear Unique, always remember there is only one you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Ashe. Amira Rani.